As you can see behind me, this state-of-the-art facility is where we focus on developing the next generation of biotherapeutics.
The bark scorpion, genus Centruroid.
This facility represents the forefront of biotechnology. We are focused on ethical research to address unmet medical needs globally.
The bark scorpion, genus Centruroids, possesses a highly specialized anatomy. This extreme macro view highlights
The current batch purity is holding steady at 98%. Noted.
Ramping up the flow rate on conveyor 2.
Here we see the precise calibration of the extraction module. The microfluidic channels ensure high-fidelity venom collection at scale.
Check the thermal data on the latest run.
Looks consistent with the previous cycle. All parameters are within tolerance.
This revolutionary non-contact system uses controlled electrical microfields to safely stimulate the venom production.
the droplet elongates, showcasing the fluid dynamics before the neck finally snaps and the microscopic venom detaches.
Vitals are steady. The adjusted pulse frequency is working well.
Yes, minimal impact on the subject. We can continue the extraction protocol.
The flow rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Confirmed. We are within acceptable parameters.
Check the parameters on stage 3. We had a minor fluctuation.
I'm adjusting the robotics now. It should stabilize immediately.
Habitat indicators are all green.
All right, let's run the purification cycle and log the data.
The toxicity levels in the alpha toxin subgroup are significantly lower than anticipated.
Yes, but look at the synergy effect when combined with the beta toxins.
No changes in behavior, no stress indicators. This confirms continuity and ethical handling.
Levels are stable. Initiating sequence now.
Confirmed. We have a spike in dataset C registering now.
Here in the biomimetic testing zone, we see the link between the synthetic facial structure and the biological source material, the Deathstalker scorpion. Here in the biomimetic lab, we are unlocking the potential of scorpion venom for advanced neural interfaces.
Check the thermal readings on the lower quadrant.
Holding steady at 37 Celsius.
The gauge confirms the elasticity target was met.
Excellent. Validation complete on the malar region.
Apply a small amount of the venom-infused cream, gently massaging it into the skin for a smooth finish.
Our ethical sourcing ensures the highest quality venom peptides, refined in this state-of-the-art facility for your beauty.
Okay, this looks perfectly healthy. The redness has subsided nicely. You're taking good care of it.